I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. Tell everybody, close your eyes for an hour.
We meditate with our eyes open.
Oh, you just, no one talks, you just walk out after an hour and say, okay, the class is over?
No, there's instructions too. Just
Oh, you talk?
yes.
Inspector Quinn, how can you meditate when you talk, when the guys talk? When you took chemistry, my chemistry class was my mediation class, right? I would go in, I'd close my eyes, and then somebody would shake me, say, class is over. I'd say, thank you, and I'd leave.
So you're not in a reactive state, but you're in a response. Yes.
Get me to meditate.
It's mindfulness.
Get me to meditate right now.
Get you to meditate right now?
Right now. I need it, trust me, after this crew here today. Tyrone Jackson.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Jackson, you have a parking ticket on North Main Street. This is an expired meter.
Yes. I don't know how I didn't put the full amount in. I've parked there several times. I volunteer to teach meditation. The class is an hour long. I always do the full meter. I get there a little earlier.
What do you teach, meditation?
Meditation, yes.
Now, that lasts an hour?
Well, yeah, less than an hour, yeah. Instructions and sitting in meditation.
Do you tell everybody, close your eyes for an hour?
We meditate with our eyes open.
Oh, you just, no one talks, you just walk out after an hour and say, okay, the class is over?
No, there's instructions too. Just
Oh, you talk?
yes.
Inspector Quinn, how can you meditate when you talk, when the guys talk?
That's the best.
I appreciated the first class because I think that's the one that I attended, the meditation with your eyes closed for about an hour.
Everybody,
Well, I think the
when
thing
you were in school, Inspector
Yeah, I
Quinn,
used to meditate in every class I had.
right? When you took chemistry. My chemistry class was my mediation class, right?
In the courtroom that morning, Yanni, everything felt a little chaotic, tensions high, people stressed, and the judge already on edge. But then a man named Mr. Jackson walked in, calmly explaining that he teaches meditation for free. Suddenly, what began as a simple expired parking meter turned into a whole discussion about breathing, mindfulness, and keeping yourself grounded even while standing in front of a judge. The entire room shifted from stress to softness as he tried teaching them how to breathe, how to visualize waves, and how to find stillness even with eyes open. The judge cracked jokes, Inspector Quinn pretended to fall asleep, but through the laughter, everyone knew, this man had brought peace into a room built for conflict.
Right? I would go in, I'd close my eyes, and then somebody would shake me, say, class is over. I'd say, thank you, and I'd leave.
I think what most people don't understand about meditation is the advantage is learning how to meditate when you're not sitting. So when you're walking, when you're talking, to still have that state of calm. So you're not in a reactive state, but you're in a response. Yes.
Get me to meditate.
It's mindfulness, yes.
Get me to meditate right now.
Get you to meditate right now?
Right now. I need it, trust me, after this crew here today.
Oh, you did. One of the first parts is learning to focus on your breath.
My breath?
And watch your breath. And one of the methods I use as you watch your breath, you're also visualizing a wave going in and out. So when you're breathing out, the wave is coming into shore. You visualize it, seeing the shore.
Narragansett Bay.
Exactly. And you continue with that until your focus is just on the wave and your breath.
Right
and
outside
eventually, you even hear the waves.
Right outside the Coast Guard house. I can see it now.
Yes.
Inspector Quinn, look at him. He's meditating. He's already out. Now, what are the benefits of me meditating?
Lower stress, increases life expectations.
Stress. I'm on my reserve tank of stress. Trust me.
It also helps you with your concentration.
Watch this now. There's going to be a group thing.
The class is free. You are all welcome to come.
A public defender, stand up. All right, I want you to meditate. Breathe out.
Can't meditate standing up.
Breathe out. Keep your eyes open.
It's not that you can't, you just haven't learned how to. We all can.
All right.
I don't know how to.
All right, she can't do it. All right. Inspector Quinn, you fell asleep already.
Yeah, last thing I remember was
All right, this is the crash course. One more thing that'll help me meditate. Here's what I'm doing. I'm breathing out. I see my breath. It's like waves crashing on Narragansett Bay, and I can feel the sereneness
Yes.
just emanating from my body.
As Mr. Jackson demonstrated his breathing technique, the judge tried to follow along, talking about waves in Narragansett Bay and pretending to drift into serenity. The courtroom turned into an accidental meditation class. people laughing, the judge teasing, and Inspector Quinn claiming he had already fallen asleep. But beneath the humor was a real moment, Yanni, a reminder that sometimes the quietest lessons come from the simplest breaths. Mr. Jackson wasn't just clearing a ticket, he was clearing the tension in the room. And by the time the judge dismissed his case, it felt like everyone had been given a small dose of calm they didn't even know they needed.
I just feel relaxed, and I feel very uncharitable. I bet, and all right.
Your Honor, based on the statement the motorist has provided
You're
from the
sleeping.
bank.
You're sleeping. What are you going to tell me?
Yeah, no, several times over the past 3-4 weeks, he has paid $250, $250, $250, and the one, I believe it was the 24th or whatever, stated $175. Couldn't explain it, but he has in the past put in the full amount.
All right, Mr. Jackson, you're a good sport. And
Thank you.
Thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome to come to my class anytime you like.
Okay.
It's one in the evenings.
There is.
It's free also.
I may take you up on that.
Yes.
All right. The matter is dismissed. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Julia DiPaolo. Julia, there's a mic there and a mic there.
I'm right in the middle.
All right?
I got the voice.
No, Julia, you're going to get the voice into one of the mics. Get to that one. That one's better for you. Get close.
Hello.
All right, good.
Oh, boy.
Julia, you are charged with speeding
Yep.
on Charles Street.
Yep.
No, this is no laughing matter, Julia.
No, I know it.
All right.
You don't know the whole story, but that's all right.
What's the whole story?
Oh, no.
Give me the short version. Give me the
Comedy.
I want the short version of the whole
The short
story.
version, I was going to my sister's house. There was traffic on Route 10. I had to bypass the traffic because I came by the city. So lo and behold, I had to go by Charles Street, which I did. She calls me up just before, I guess, where the cameras were. Where are you? I said, I'm on my way. Maybe I was going a little fast at the time. So that was it. So the only car on the road.
Then came Julia, loud, honest, full of personality. Charged with speeding, she immediately blamed her sister, traffic on Route 10, a phone call at the wrong moment, and suddenly she was flying down Charles Street. Her storytelling had the whole courtroom laughing, but the judge wasn't about to let her off that easily. He joked about intent, about her wanting to kill her sister, and even threatened to bring the case back as attempted murder. Even Julia couldn't hold her laugh. In her mind, it was simple, Judge, it's all my sister's fault. In the judge's mind, Yanni, it was entertainment, and a reminder that sometimes family stresses you more than the ticket itself.
It was after 7 o'clock.
You just convicted yourself. It's all your sister's fault.
So I told her, I says, Vilma, it's all your fault. I says, I seen the red lights flashing. I said, I want to kill you. No, that's it, in a nutshell.
Inspector Quinn?
Yes, Your Honor.
She threatened to kill her sister.
Well, did the sister file a complaint, Judge?
Right?
Because I have enough work going on right now. I can't go out and solicit complaints. If the sister comes in,
You want to call
I'll
the
accept the complaint.
We're
can call her.
going to call the committing squad, right? You've already
Yeah, it was
intent. This is intent to commit murder, Inspector Quinn. She came here for a speeding violation. She's going to end up in the can for murder.
It's the truth. It is the truth.
It's all your sister's fault.
Yes.
We're going to set it down for trial.
All right.
You're going to bring your sister in at the date of the
I
trial?
have to, right?
I want your sister here the date of the trial, right?
All right.
Yeah, I want proof of life of the sister anyway, Judge.
I'm going to ask her if she wants to prosecute you for attempted murder.
She's going to prosecute me, right?
All right, good luck to you.
All right.
Morning, sir.
Good morning to
The charge was speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. and then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Next walked in a gentleman who had only been driving in the U.S. for 6 months. He wasn't trying to break laws, he simply didn't see the speed sign on Harris Avenue. Back home in Africa, he had driven for years without issues. Here, he was still learning. As he explained his situation, he hesitated, humble and sincere, admitting that maybe he wasn't watching the odometer closely. The judge reminded him of the rules, but the moment the man mentioned he was driving with his wife and children, everything changed. The courtroom softened again, not because he was innocent, but because he was honest.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means, though.
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, and then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
Oh, you read it.
there are some other places in
I think
the...
everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that.
abide
I
by
read the
it's
book.
issue.
That's why I
But
get
they
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my 2 babies. They're over there.
Where are they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them
you
up
know.
here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
Were you in the
She
car?
was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't.
No, she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit, excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child, right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay. And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Look up here.
Look at the.
Say hi. Hi. Come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
And then, Yanni, came the moment that stole the entire day. The judge called up the couple's little boy, tiny, innocent, curious, and asked him the ultimate courtroom question: is your father guilty or not guilty? Without hesitation, with a voice full of truth, the boy answered, guilty. The entire room exploded in laughter. The judge shook his hand like he had just sworn in a new deputy. Even the father had no defense left. In that moment, the judgment was sealed, not by law, but by the honesty of a child.